sometimes the Mi Stick has a glitch and it will say there's no Wi-Fi while it is connected to Wi-Fi, but it just doesn't pick it up. The issue with that is usually if the time is somewhere at 8 o'clock. So if you have this, well, right now the time and the date is completely different. It's about 12:30. What you need to do is you need to go to the settings here. So let me just show you how to get there. So if ever you are here, you just make sure you're going up. You go here to the apps and then you go here to settings. Confirm that. Once you're in here, you can see here right now everything works fine. But then we go here to device preference. Then in here, you see here the date and time. Just click on that one to confirm. Then it says the automatic date is off. You can turn this on. Sometimes this works and sometimes it does not. If ever it is provided on this, you can see it's grayed out. However, this is not what I want. I want to have the proper date. So what I can do here, just turn this off. Then you can select these here. Click here on the date and just put in the date of today. So that would be whatever that is, November 20. And then here set the time to 12:30 or whatever the date is at that moment. So once you did that, it will work again and it will have again Wi-Fi and you can watch Netflix or Disney Plus.